Hey guys, what's up? It's Kelly Kolb here. Today what I got going on for you is I did this pink holiday look. I also did a halo eye. I did a halo eye in my last video, but unfortunately I didn't press record when I was supposed to. So this video, you guys actually get to see how I do a halo eye. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just be sure to keep on watching. Okay friends, I'm starting out with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden. I'm going to slather this all over my eyes and use this IT Cosmetics concealer brush to buff it out. Then I'm taking my Naked Shapeshifter Palette and going to set my eyes really quick. I'm taking out my Modern Renaissance and in Buon Fresco, I'm going to put that in my crease and make that my transition shade. Then I'm taking Love Letter, and this will go all in my outer corner and that'll go in my crease as well, kind of blend it up into the Buon Fresco that we put before, and then it'll go in my inner corner as well. Then I'm taking this highlight shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit and popping that in the center of my lid. Then I'm taking my Too Faced Primed and Peachy primer. This is my favorite mattifying primer. I'm going to slather this all over my face, mostly in my T-zone area, and then blending it to the outsides of my face. Then I'm taking the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara and coating my lashes before I do my eyelashes today. I'm not sure what these lashes are. I'm pretty sure they are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'm going to apply those on my eyes. Next, I'm taking the Empowered Foundation in Fair Beige. This foundation has been discontinued, but you can find it in the Shapetape Hydrating Foundation from Tarte, because it's the exact same thing. It's just made a little bit differently now, but they give the same amount of coverage. Then I'm pulling out this concealer from Tarte as well, and it's in the color Fair Neutral, I believe. I'm going to be popping this on my highlighted areas, underneath my eyes, on the tip of my nose, and my chin. Then I'm taking the Cloud Paint from Glossier. Can't remember which color this is, I'll list it down below, but I'm going to be using that as my blush today, and I'm putting that on with a beauty blend. Then I'm going to be setting my under eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder and blending this out with a foundation brush just to blend the rest of the powder into my skin and set my foundation. I'm taking this cooler color from the Naked Shapeshifter Palette, and this is going to be my deep contour. And I'm just going to chisel and contour my nose, my cheekbones, and the outside of my forehead. With a bigger, fluffier brush, I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soliel Bronzer, and I'm putting this in the same areas where I put my contour shade, but I'm just going to be a little bit more messy with this. Then I'm taking that Love Letter color again, and I'm popping it all on the outer of my under eye, and I'm kind of just blending whatever excess is on the brush into the center of my eye. I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray today, and I'm mixing Marshmallow and this other shade for my highlight today just to tie the entire look together. Then with my Glossier lip color in Jam, this is a really nice subtle lipstick. Super duper natural on the lips. I'm just going to put this on kind of sloppily. I don't know what's happening. Lipstick is really hard for me, but super cute. Matches my eyes, matches my cheeks. And that is going to be the look today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. I love you. Beautiful. Halo eye. Wow. Brows. Nice. Kelly. Way to go. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed seeing me get this kind of pink fun holiday look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The red button is going to be down below, and turn on my little notifications if you want to be notified when I put up my next video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. All of my @handles will be right here. It's all at Kelly Kolb. I post looks on Instagram a lot of the time, and it's super duper fun to keep up with me, I think. So I have to get going because I have to go to work, but I love each and every one of you, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video today. I will see you in my next one. Bye! Hello friends. I'm aware that this video is over 2 months old. 2.5 months old, I think. It's the beginning of March now, and I filmed this in December, but you know what? I had it edited and I just didn't do a voiceover for the last 2 months. I just put it off for some reason, and here it is now. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm still making videos. If you guys want to check out my latest videos, they're going to be linked up here. I love each and every one of you, and I hope this gives you the will to actually subscribe to me, that I'm still making these videos for you, and that I'm trying. But yeah, you guys have an awesome afternoon, evening, day, night, morning, whatever time of day it is, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!